So in today's video, I'm going to talk about two high paying, some of the most lucrative skills that you can learn and start earning money from. If you are a student, a mother, or just someone who has leisure time and they want to utilize their time productively. So without doing any further ado, without beating around the bush, let's dive right into the video and talk about the first skill that you can consider learning and start making a hefty amount of money just by dedicating your free time. Even if you are studying, even if you are a working mother, all you have to do is just to dedicate at least 13 minutes to 1 hour on learning the skills. So the first skill that I was going to talk about that can make you a hefty amount of money is video editing. Now see, every single person, every single content creator across various social media platforms do need a video editor for their videos. The reason being is because attention span of an average person has dropped down to 30 seconds, and to make someone watch your videos, it is really important for a content creator to make their videos visually compelling, engaging and interesting. Videos that can capture their attention for longer time, for as long as they want. What it does, the longer time someone watches their video, the more money they make, and the more views they get. That is something that a videographer, that a video editor can help a content creator or any person who makes video. So if you are someone who wants to make a hefty amount of money, you can consider learning video editing. Those content creators, those prominent content creators and others who upload videos on their across various social media platforms consistently, they are always ready to pay a hefty amount of money to someone who can make their videos look more engaging, more captivating, so that every time someone stumbles upon their video, that person gets attracted towards their video, and they can also make a lot of money. Now there are a lot of things that you need to consider before learning video editing. The first one is that you'll have to learn using some software such as Adobe Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, and other softwares through which you will learn video editing. Um, Minimum, maximum, it will take you 3 months, and if you want to reach a pro level where you want to get paid 25,000 for just one single video, it will take you 6 months. Now if you have some other question apart from how long it will take you and some other things regarding video editing, then you can comment down below and I'll be looking forward to answering them. So without doing any further ado, now let's move on to the second skill that you can consider learning and start earning money from. So if now you might be wondering that why did I not talk about various skills and only two skills. There are two reasons for that. Firstly, I did not want you to feel overwhelmed by watching a videos which talks about 50 skills and which does nothing but leaves you confused. Secondly, these are, in my opinion, these are some of the two most lucrative and high demand skills at the same time, because there is a difference between a skill being lucrative and demanding. What is the point of a skill being lucrative it is not if it is not in demand? So in today's time, because social media and all these things are at the peak, every single person does need these two freelance people or these people who have these two skills. So the second skills that I was going to talk about is graphic designing. So the reason why you should consider learning graphic designing is because every business, every platform, every app, and even YouTubers does need a graphic designer. Graphic designer, you can create logos for huge brands, you can create websites for them, you can also create apps at the outer layer, the outer visuals of an app. Apart from these two things, under graphic designing there are also other things. If one thing that will take you least amount of time but can make you money, huge amount of money, it would be thumbnail making and banner making. You see, in order to get someone to click on your video on YouTube and on platforms like YouTube, you have got to have a thumbnail that conveys everything. And you see, every single YouTuber on YouTube does need to have a compelling thumbnail. The reason being is because no matter how good their video is, no matter how insightful, how thought provoking their video is, no one will click on it unless the thumbnail of the video is conveying, it is compelling, and it is visually attractive. That is where the role of a graphic designer comes to play. This is something that has came into existence recently, but this can pay you a huge amount of money in a shorter amount of time, because creating thumbnail does not take much longer, hour to 2 hour. If you are a pro, if you are just starting out, then undoubtedly it will take you longer. But as you learn the skill, as you learn graphic designer, you can monetize your skill in various branches of graphic designing, such as logos creating, apps creating, website designing, product designing. And one of the easiest and effective ways to earn money through graphic designing is creating thumbnail and banner for YouTube channel. Every single channel does have a thumbnail, a compelling thumbnail and a banner which conveys what their video is going to be about and what is the niche or the content they are going to upload, or their audience can expect from them on their channel. Now, if I talked about how long it should take you to learn graphic designing, if you are just starting out, it should take you 3 months. As a beginner, initially you must not be focusing on earning money. You must be focusing on gaining experience. When you gain experience, when you have built authority on your portfolio, you are also supposed to have a portfolio which shows your work. The best piece of work that you have created as a graphic designer, same applies with a video editor. Put together your best piece of work in your portfolio to show your potential client. They will go through it, and if luckily they liked your work, they will consider hiring you for their project, for their things, and they will be ready and willing to pay a hefty amount of money if you learn any of these two skills, graphic designing and video editing. Now, don't underestimate me, because what I am saying is absolutely true. If you have any question about these two skills, anything that is popping in your head, then you can comment me down below. I'll answer you directly. And yeah, I'll be making more such videos in the future as well. So do consider subscribing to my channel.